Hello all, I Miss Kavalpreet Korpuri welcome you to my YouTube channel, and as you all know, I guide for NTA UGC Net Set examination, and my previous videos were on discussion on paper 1 syllabus, and I have completed guidance on 4 units of paper 1, and today I'll be discussing unit 5 mathematical reasoning and aptitude of paper 1. So let's understand what is mathematical reasoning and aptitude. As we all know, mathematical is something related to mathematics. Reasoning is associated with thinking, cognition, and intellect. The field of logic studies ways in which humans reason, formally through argument. Reasoning may be subdivided into forms of logical reasoning, such as deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Okay, so we understand what is reasoning. It is something related to your thinking, cognition, and intellect. And definite, we have logical reasoning, under which deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning is very much important. We are getting questions on it, and I'm sure it will be asked in each and every attempt. What is aptitude? I always say it is the natural ability to do something. Okay, so we should understand what we are studying whenever we sit down to study any of the topic. Now, let's analyze the syllabus. You always know that the syllabus seems so short, and here it is divided into only 3 subtopics. But whenever you study any of the topic, you need to understand that we have various subtopics under each topic. So let's discuss the first subtopic, types of reasoning. Very much important and definite question on this. As we know, reasoning is the process of thinking in a logical way in order to form the conclusion or judgment from an information. If you buy any book, you may have non-verbal reasoning, which does not involve any language, and it is based on generally diagrams or pictorial representation. Then we have verbal reasoning. It is the ability to understand and logically work through concepts and problems expressed in words. So we may have something related to analogy, classification, direction test, blood relationship test, and so on. What is logical reasoning? It is the process of deriving a logical inference from a hypothesis through reasoning. It tests one's reading and understanding abilities. So this, and along with your unit 6, you will get good understanding on this concept. Please study it in a good manner, or you can say you should be very thorough with it because it is very scoring. Okay, and types of reasoning is very much important in our daily life also. Moving on to next, number series, letter series, codes, and relationships. Okay, when we look at this, they have mentioned only number, letter, codes, and relationships, but other than number series, which are completely related to numbers, letter series related to alphabets, we have classification. What is classification? It is based on similarity or dissimilarity between a number of items or objects which is given to us. Example, we may be asked to find out the odd pair. Okay, so this is something under classification. We have coding. Now under coding we have letter codes, letter plus numerical, and sometimes it is using position number of alphabets. Sometimes it is related to symbol coding, artificial language, and it is very easy. Relationships, for this we need to understand the tags of various relationships, and as we know, we are appearing for this competitive exam. Questions cannot be very easy. We should be able to understand the language and the trick and the pattern behind it. We have questions on direction, that is north, west, south, and east, and we have questions related to arrangement also. That is something based on order or ranking and sitting arrangement. Next subtopic is mathematical aptitude. Here we are completely related to the calculation part. In brackets they have mentioned it can be either fraction, time and distance, ratio, proportion and percentage, profit and loss, interest and discounting, averages, etc. So in the past attempts, they have asked on profit and loss. Sometimes it is asked on interest and discounting. Sometimes it is purely related to fractions and percentage. What we need to understand with this subtopic is, the more I practice, the more I get command. And if you understand the formula, if you understand the language of the question, and you are able to solve it in fraction of seconds, then this entire unit you can easily score 10 marks. Okay, what we need to understand is, this is completely based on your common sense, understanding how you interpret. Okay, so suppose I give you my example. I'm very good at theory, so for this unit I need to put more efforts. But what I need to understand is, if I can skip 2 marks, or I can skip one question which takes lot of time during preparation, or I'm very much sure it will take me 10 minutes at least to solve in the examination, what is my formula? Then I need to focus on some other question. If I'm risking one question from this unit, then I need to compensate it somewhere else. So your success story is completely based on how you study and not how I study. So I need to understand which topic is my strength and which topic is my weakness. How much efforts I have to put for a particular topic and how much I'm able to skip. And just advice and suggestion from my side, very practical questions. But just remember, whenever you practice without calculator and maintain a diary, so you understand that this type of questions takes how much of your time. Okay, sometimes you are very quick at it, you are very good with numbers, or this is something a god blessing to you, then you can even score full 10 marks without much of efforts. So it is completely your story, your hard work, and it is based on logic, interpretation, understanding and pattern. And if you understand that, then definitely 10 marks are in your hands. What is the best part of this topic? If you are able to understand it very nicely, then definitely 10 marks, because such type of questions have sure answer. We may get confused with theory questions, but never with practical, because there is 100% only one correct answer for such questions. Okay, hope you are studying at home, and today is start of this new month, and I need to promise to myself that whenever the net exam is going to be conducted, I'm going to get qualified in this attempt only. If you are liking my videos, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. Thank you.